That's the grandfather, father. Hola. Muy forte. Wow. Doing the gardens, huh? Giardino. Giardino. Look at this lovely gentleman. Wow. Muy forte. Gracias. Y pulito giardino. Wow. ¿Cuántos años?
¿Cuánto hay? 81.
81.
Claro.
81 years, this gentleman, and he's just doing all of this. Muy fuerte.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Yeah.
Muy amable.
De 1944.
Wow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Wow, amazing, right? A gentleman who was, he's a gardener. A garden medic. 81 years old. And he's still cycling his trike with his stuff on. And humbling, folks. Not just humbling, but gives the energy to me and to ones who pay attention to sincere life and honest life, that they will continue without complaining as to how to make a living without ever depending on handouts and bothering other people. We've lost this. We've lost this. There's another gentleman who's doing, but he's got the Chinese-made trike, motorized. He's still cycling on that trike. So saving on electricity, but energized by his own capacity to propel with his human machine that is the most fundamentally most intelligent and powerful on earth.